Hello guys, welcome to my channel Simple Thoughts. Today I would like to discuss about human resource management, definition, nature and features. Human resource management (HRM) is the study of activities regarding people working in an organization. It also evaluates and develops the skills and abilities of its employees in order to achieve organization's needs. Now let us discuss about definition of HRM. Human resource management is a management function concerned with hiring, motivating and maintaining people in the organization. It is also a designing management system to ensure that human talent is used effectively and efficiently for fulfilling the organizational goals. Here comes the nature of HRM. HRM is a management function that helps the manager to recruit, select, train, and develop members of an organization. HRM involve the application of management functions and principles. The management functions and principles include acquiring, developing, maintaining, and providing remuneration to the employees in an organization. The second nature of HRM is decision relating to employees must be integrated. Any decision relating to the employees must be equal. There shouldn't be differences among employees. Third nature, decisions made influence the effectiveness of an organization. For example, HRM makes decisions for betterment of the services to the customers in the form of high quality products supplied at reasonable cost. Fourth nature, HRM functions are not confined to business establishments only. It also concerns about education, healthcare, recreation also. It looks after both employees as well as organizational effectiveness. Here comes features of HRM. They are also called as characteristics of human resource management. HRM involves management functions like planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. For example, in order to complete a project, the manager plans how to do the work. He also organizes his employees and direct them to complete the work in a stipulated time. All this process is possible when the employees are under the control of manager. Second character, it involves development, procurement and maintenance of human resources. HRM also helps to achieve individual, organizational and social objectives. And another feature is it involves team spirit and teamwork. The most important feature of HRM is it is a multidisciplinary subject. It includes the study of management, psychology, communication, economics, and sociology. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Have a nice day.